Welcome. In this video I will show you how to free up storage on XIAOMI 15T. To do it, you have to open Settings, then go to About Phone, select Storage, and then select Free Up, and wait until your phone detects unwanted files and erase them from your device. To confirm, select Clean Up and wait until this device are deleted. Other way to do this is by you can also add a clear trash application by clicking Add right here if you want to clean up storage even faster. But the second way to clean up storage on your device is by deleting the files that you rarely use. To find them, you have to go to Apps, and here find the devices that you don't need, or sort them by used recently, and then scroll down to the apps that you either never used or used a long time ago, and just tap such an application and tap uninstall to remove it from your device. Additionally, you can clean up storage in gallery by finding and opening the gallery application. Tap on it, then tap the three dot icon in the top right corner of the screen and select Free Up Space, then wait for the albums to be scanned, and the device will give you a list of options for you to delete. For example, the duplicates, the screenshots. In order to clean up storage here, you just have to select one of these two categories, then select Delete chosen photos. Then you can delete duplicates by selecting the duplicate that looks better for you and leaving it on your phone, and deleting the other one like this. You can also do the same thing automatically by switching this toggle to the right and then clicking delete selected photos to confirm. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.